What is the major difference between a practitioner practicing in a trial court and a practitioner practicing in a high court? ये सवाल बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है आप सबको जानने के लिए, क्योंकि अक्सर लॉ फर्म्स के इंटरव्यूज के अंदर ये सवाल पूछ लिया जाता है जब आप बताते हैं कि आपने क्या क्या इंटर्नशिप्स की। आपने बोला कि मैंने ट्रायल कोर्ट एडवोकेट के अंदर इंटर्नशिप करी है, ये फलाना फलाना, हाई कोर्ट एडवोकेट के अंदर इंटर्नशिप करी है। ये एक बेस सवाल है जो सबसे ज्यादा पूछ लिया जाता है कि आपने दोनों जगह प्रैक्टिस करी जस्ट नाउ, सो टेल मी व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस यू हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड इन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ अ ट्रायल कोर्ट एंड इन द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ अ हाई कोर्ट। द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल। ट्रायल कोर्ट के अंदर फैक्ट्स पे आर्ग्यू होता है, द केस इज बिल्ड फ्रॉम द ट्रायल कोर्ट, सो द practitioner will specifically focus on the facts of the case. Then they will pose questions that is in the form of cross examination. Examination is chief. So that is the basic thing which is done in the trial court, all the procedural part, the base level. But on the other hand, in the case of high court, the advocate of a high court will argue on the substantial question of law, which is the core issue, that is whether the law has been properly followed by the trial court or not. Where there is any irregularity in the law, then the question of law will arise, then the advocate will file. There, the advocate of the high court will do its work. That is focusing on the substantial question of law, challenging the law, legality of the judgment on the basis of not going on to the merits of the case. That is, the trial court has erred in focusing on the merits of the case. That is where the high court practitioner work starts. So that's the basic difference between the two practices. That is, in trial court you'll focus on the facts of the case, examination, procedural part. But on the other hand, in the case of high court practitioners, the practitioner will focus on the substantial question of law, whether the law has been followed, any irregularities there in the law, whether the trial court has left any merit, left any substantial thing that is not in the light of justice. So that is the case. The law part comes in case of high court, and in case of the trial court, majorly it is about the facts of the case, examination, and all, the procedural part. That is the difference between the two. You should be in a position to tell this difference. Thank you so much. See you again.